Hi everyone, Eric with Action Engineering once again to show off some of our latest research and development. Here is a sleeve solution now for use on your single station heat press. So the way this works is that we're able to lock the cuff in the very rear of the pallet. So this is going to be positioned here. We're going to lock the cuff in position. It's going to allow us to drape the sleeve over the platen and get it ready for pressing. So let's just say we're pressing. We got 15 seconds to go. Let's see how it works. We got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so we're at 300 degrees and I'm able to touch this easily. It's not hot. Okay, we can come over here and move this now into position so it can be loaded, unloaded. This one's ready now. It's got the sleeve on it. We're ready to go into position. And press away. All right, so now let's see how we load this. Okay, so I'm going to find the center, the seam. I'm going to pull it in the back, lock the cuff in position. Now you can see it hangs off the pallet, it doesn't fall. And we're going to make sure we set up our sleeve so that it's nice, flat. There it is, very nice. We're going to take this out, pulling it, lifting it, move it into our letter stations. Take this one, it's usually easier than that. And we're ready to press. We're going to put another sleeve on over here now. Look at that. We'll get this to lay so perfect. We'll take this out now. Put it over here, ready to load. Move this now to be pressed. Time to unload this one. Okay, this one's just been pressed. Take it out. Put it over here to unload. Press. We're going to unload this one. Put it where it goes. All right, and that's our demonstration. And once again, easy to handle. They're not hot. So, ladies and gentlemen, Action Engineering's sleeve heat press solution for your single station heat press machines. Thank you as always for your attention.